And you guys have to be good. Winston, bad dog. Winston, very bad. You're gonna get squirted, Winston. They'll run you over too. You'll get run over, Winston. Gotta be good. Can't be a rotten dog all day. Winston, you're gonna get that squirt bottle. You're gonna get the squirt bottle. Oh, here comes the squirt bottle. Here comes the squirt bottle for a vicious dog. Vicious dogs get squirted. Squirt the doggy. Squirt him. Uh-oh. We got deer and I gotta hang on. Broody. Okay, let's get going. We gotta get those deer. Winston, you're being a rotten dog. Brutus, Winston, you gotta be good. It's too hard to get down and I'll run you over. You're being a rotten dog and Brutus wants to get that deer. Let's go, Winston, let's go, come on. Let's be a good dog. Come on, Winston, you gotta be a good dog. Come on. Not biting the ropes. You gotta be good. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Winston. If you go, Brutus, no, we didn't go that way. To be good. Brutus has to be good. Brutus has to be good. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go get some deer. Gotta get those deer. Come on, Broody. Let's get the deer. Come on, Broody. Oh, Broody went the wrong way. Brutus. No raccoons. Come on. Brutus. You're not getting raccoons today. Come on. Out of there. Come on, Brutus. Brutus, you're gonna fall on your head. Brutus. Out of there. Come on, there's no raccoons for you guys. They don't like you. Come on, let's get going. Come on, Winston, come on. Brutus, now you're getting tangled up again. He did it again, Brutus. Like 3 times now. You are being a terrible dog today. I'm getting all tangled up, causing trouble. Hey, no, Brutus. No, you have to stay and be good.